God, this pain, this stress, this suffering, it's really hard for you to understand. I guess you can, 'cause you made everything. But somehow my heart is breaking. Oh why, oh why, oh why do I feel like I do? Do I feel like I do? The rain keeps on pouring and the birds have all flown away, and I wonder, will I ever see the sun again? Oh why, oh why, oh why does the rain keep on pouring on me? I don't even have an umbrella to shield myself from the misery of the storm. My God, I pray to be restored. Oh, can you taste my suffering for me? I know it's maybe causing 'cause of me. It may be because I never did the right thing. But I hope you see that it's hard out here, and I need you right here. Oh, please, won't you lift me from this suffering? I pray deeply and strongly that you would just remember me when I am lost in my heart of stone, and when my eyes are closed and I can't even shake off the terror of my dreams. I pray, God, you take away my suffering. Oh why, oh why, oh why do I keep having the rain pour down on me when I don't even have an umbrella to guard me and keep me and wash away the safety? 'Cause I'm so in misery.